So the wig in today's tutorial is this beautiful red copper toned kinky straight wig that I received from Nadula. They hit me up like, would you like to collab again? And y'all know, of course, I said yes, especially to a kinky straight wig because I love those textures. So apparently these days, if you're not vlogging, then your video better be quick, because if your video is not quick, then nobody's gonna watch it. So I'm gonna speed through this tutorial process. I have multiple videos where I'm explaining the steps in detail about how I apply my wigs, and this video is not going to be that, okay? So this is just a watch and learn video, and I'll be popping in and out to say a few things, but other than that, just enjoy the tutorial. Now this texture, without any manipulation whatsoever, it's giving. It's big, it's fluffy, it's got a lot of texture to it. Like, it's really giving Shaka Khan. But I still wanted to go for a more sleek, like silk press look. Like you just left the salon. So I opted to flat iron the wig. And after adding the last little finishing touches, I mean, that is it. And this install was literally almost as quick as the tutorial, because I got that install down packed now. But I just want to show y'all how beautiful this wig is. Of course, I'm always going to show you a different style so you can see that most of these wigs have a lot of versatility. You just have to be willing to try the styles. But let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I loved this color. The only thing is I feel like it washed out my skin tone a lot. But other than that, I mean, it was absolutely gorgeous. That is it. Don't forget to check the description box below for some discount codes. And I will see y'all next time.